What's going on, everybody? This is John Paul.
And Marty.
On his birthday.
On my birthday.
In front of 5th and Avenel. We just pulled up and it is absolutely mind-blowing what's going on here. You guys gotta see this. This dude, came yesterday?
He came yesterday and started leveling the floor in the front and found out that the only way to do it is to take over the house apart.
Look at this. This is nuts. Started leveling the floor and had to rip the whole front of the house off. Let's see.
And then never ever seen by anyone normal, lats on the outside of the house.
Lats, what are lats? What are lats?
Lats are these
Let's
old
see.
wood ribbing that was on every old house. And this is like this isn't plaster though. I don't think. I don't know what it is. But
This is nuts, man. This is crazy.
they're literally getting a new house.
Oh, there you go. Walk the plank. Oh, dude, it popped up on this side. I'm gonna fall. I know I'm gonna fall. Oh, look at that. It's like I'm a pirate.
Dude, this is
Holy smokes.